You know that feeling when the house you once loved just doesn't quite fit anymore? Seriously, does your house still work for the way you live right now? For a lot of us, it's simple. We've just plain run out of room. Or maybe your dining room has officially become your full-time office. Sound familiar? Bottom line, the layout just feels like it's working against you. That brings up the big question. If you do sell, what's next? Well, for a whole lot of people, the answer is going for a brand new build. And check out this number, 16%. That's the share of recent home purchases that were new construction. And get this, that's the highest it's been in nearly 20 years. It's a real shift. So, what's the appeal? Advantage number one is obvious. Everything is brand spankin' new. That means no surprise repairs or inheriting someone else's weekend projects. Okay, advantage number two is a big one. You get to make it yours from the start. You get to pick the floors, the counters, the lighting, all the stuff you actually want. Third, and this is a game changer, these homes are designed for modern life. Think open layouts, smart home tech, and energy efficiency that actually saves you money. But the perks don't stop at your front door. Let's talk community amenities. Many of these neighborhoods come with pools, parks, and walking trails built right in. And last but not least, a huge advantage right now, builder incentives. See, with more new homes available, builders are pretty eager to make a deal. That could mean negotiating on the price or even scoring some free upgrades. So, what's the takeaway here? New construction is a serious contender now. It delivers the kind of space and features that just makes sense for today's lifestyle. So, it's worth asking yourself, could a new home be the answer you're looking for?